Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to reset the oil service reminder on an Audi. I just went through the steps, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We're going to use the YOUCANIC scanner. So what you want to do is you connect the scanner to the OBD-II port, turn on the ignition, and on the scanner go to all the way down to TCM, not TCM, sorry, transmission. That's transmission oil. You want to go to oil reset over here, and then select Audi, and then smart pin. This will detect the model. This is on a 2021 Audi Q5, but this procedure works on all Audis. Now keep in mind, Audi uses two resets, what they call minor reset and the flexible reset, like the major reset. So you might be able to do one, maybe even through the instrument cluster, but then you still have a light that still stays on and says service required. So this will reset both of them. Here we just select the engine type, diesel. Here it's a 2.0 TFSI engine, so press OK. Or reset service. And then new mode or old mode, I recommend first start the new mode. There's two ways to do it. If that doesn't work, that works in most cases. If it doesn't work, you can try the old method, but go to the new method here, press OK, and then you can reset the minor services. Okay, it was reset successfully. But what I recommend is doing run option 3, which is small maintenance and high maintenance. So this will basically reset both of them. This should be the one that will reset your oil reminder, service reminder on the instrument cluster. So that should do it, and reset that to 0. Now if you wanted to reset these individually, you can go to old mode, and here you see small. You can decide which one you're trying to reset. It's a little bit more complicated. You need to know exactly what you're doing with this method, so I'd recommend just going with the new mode and select the option 3, small and high maintenance, and your service and oil service reminder should be reset. Turn off the ignition, restart, and you're good to go. And that's all. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.